confirming, Game Warden rock.
Yeah! You're the man. Yeah! You gotta have them cojones. Terrell coming down hot. That's what it takes, guts, baby. Do it. You only live once, one time.
Gonna take you down by the river, smell the gunpowder, hear the ghosts sing. Kids in the shadows drinking by the water, smoking and blowing them smoke rings. Gonna take you down to the river, you're gonna learn about the times, man. Bloodstains will make you shiver, you're gonna feel it in your spine, man.
Go, boy, day 3, finally got one. Sucker hadn't eaten in a while. He was hungry, boy. So, whew. Man, there we go, folks. Pretty good one there. For not catching, well, I caught that one yesterday, so. Oh, thank you, Lord, thank you. We'll let him go. So y'all are probably wondering how it's so clear now. This is just a little cove, and these springs up in here have been feeding it. And it kind of is protected from all that dirt that's getting washed down from the flood. And the water is probably, I bet you it's 15 degrees warmer in here. So I saw that and I said, man, we've got to get in there. So you saw that one we caught. Come on now. Got us another donkey on. Woo, talk to me now. Come on. Oh, foul hooked him. He's just giving up. Look at that sucker. Just playing dead. Woo! Thank you. Holy cow. They're hiding out in here from all that rain, that flood. Where they want to be. You gotta be where they want to be, I'm telling you. Here we go, folks. A good one, probably 3 pounds or so. A big old mouth on him. Thank you, man. Freaking Terrell out here like the Nesquik. What is that chocolate milk? Nesquik? Nesquik freaking bunny out here. Freaking catching them in the chocolate milk. Woo-hoo!
There's a river for you.
That sucker is a rolling. We made it to Dolan's. Survived the flood so far. Ran into some guys at the S&A. They said that they weren't letting anyone on the river since Friday because of that storm that we went through. It's too dangerous. So all of the outfitters, they're shut down until Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure, but and we're out here. That kind of gives you an idea of how yesterday was. It was rough. The river continues to keep dropping. Dropped 2 foot overnight, and then it's probably down, I don't know, another foot. So anyways,
And it's wild and it's crazy and it's just about free. You know, he rolled the rails through the Dust Bowl. Oh, and he sailed the China Sea. But there ain't no more rattlers to ride. Singapore's seen better days. He is just an old hobo with no place to go, bo. All aboard, anchors weigh.
to give my boat a little bubble bath. Woo! Rub-a-dub-dubs. One man in a kayak in a river tub. Hey guys, sorry about that spot. There might be another spot here. GoPro, sometimes this one it gets if I put it underwater, it's got that I don't know, it gets moisture in there. If you know how to stop that, or a way for me to prevent it, or an easy way to clean it, something like that, but the moisture's on the inside, leave me a comment below and let me know. I mean, I appreciate the help. Thanks guys. 3 tier in your face. You ready? Let's go. I don't know if it's gonna last. Just broke my freaking boomstick. We will definitely be calling the Yak Attack, and you'll be sending me another one. Thing's 3 days old. Just don't show them this video. There you have it. Holy moly. That suckers are rolling. Go check on these other boys. Goes big boy Taro, about to make that curve, about to make that turn. Oh. Big man Furman going down the drop like a boss, baby. Oh. Is he all right?
Here's Ike at 3 tiers. You ever hear what they say? Up the creek without a paddle, there it is. He's hanging in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's got it. He's down, good job.
What do you know about that 3 tier?
You got mine. What can I say? Not here.
Oh, it got me. 3 tiers got me a couple of times.
Got him 3 times. She's up, she's rolling. Woo. What's up, suckers? Hey man, I just wanted to give like a little quick deal. The Devils is fun. It's a good time, I promise you. But if you're a novice and maybe, I don't know, you need to be in shape and know what you're getting into. Seriously, there's a lot of new people right now that are into kayaking and stuff, and that is freaking great. I love it. But before you do one of these trips like this, the Devils or the Pecos, I would wait and make sure you really know what you're doing. Maybe like 2 years after getting on some rivers, and then do one of these. They're not for the faint of heart. So you heard it from me. Good morning, good morning. Day 4 in your face. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's been one for the books for sure. This river rise, this chocolate milk, it's like one of these rivers back home. But it's definitely one of those trips to remind you someone upstairs is watching over you, because he's been with us this last couple days. They shut down the river. They're not putting anybody on while we were out here. That was that first night, that big storm came in, and then we had hail the second day. It's been rough. I was born for this crap. not trying to sound like that guy, but man, I love it. Absolutely love it. So, anyways, we're gonna try to get on some fish. It's been rough. Thanks for hanging in there with me if you've kept watching it, but appreciate it. So, thanks for the support, guys. I really, really appreciate it.
Deuces.
Indian Rapid Springs coming at you. About to take a bath.
Yeah, baby!
There it is. Oh, he's gonna ride it backwards like last time. Oh, baby. Oh, no. Oh, Cindy, look at your boy. Back it up, old son, back it up. Hey, so what's up? Like I said in my last video, I was gonna give you a review of that Chill Gorilla 12x12 rainfly. It's like 40 something bucks off of Amazon. If you do it right, use that seam seal. Man, I stay dry, and I'm talking to you. If you've made it this far in the video, you know how much rain we've got. It's been crazy, and I stayed dry, sleeping in a hammock the whole time. If you want to learn how to stay dry in a hammock, check out that last video. Go on down, check it out, and it works. If you've seen my other videos, look, you'll remember that. Now it happened to Terrell. You're gonna have to call that Uber out here, baby. Woo. Well, that's a wrap. May 2019 in the books. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Really, really appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button, that like button, and share it. And always remember, do something nice for someone today, then let's go ahead and do it tomorrow. Y'all be good. Thank you.
This is Greg, aka Booter. We went down the Devil's River May 1st. Ike, first off, guy's top notch. He's one hell of a guy. He drug me through that damn thing. The devil is real. Be prepared. It will kick your... Be prepared. Don't take too much stuff. Go through it. There's a lot of stuff you don't need. Once again, Ike's top notch. Ike, thanks. You're the bomb.
Just got in from the Devil's River. Took a trip out there. Ike Geisenbach took us out. Had a great time, man. Trying to get it all squared away. Still a little beat up. We had a pretty rough trip. We put in on Thursday morning. Beautiful day. Beautiful weather. Great fishing. We found a spot to camp. Thursday night it rained quite a bit. River came up about 8 feet is what we found out, and it was pretty bad weather around us. But overall it was a great trip. I mean, Ike really pulled us through. It was great, man. I really appreciate his efforts and all he does. Man, I really enjoyed the fishing, the kayaking, the camping, the sitting around the camp, and, you know, just hanging out. It's a good disconnect. If anybody's ever looking to get a disconnect, the Devil's River place to go, man. It's beautiful. You take the right group of people, you have a great time. It was a little difficult with the change in the scenery, the change of the water. It was way up, so we did things a little different than normal probably. But we were in pretty good hands all the way around. I mean, Ike's a great guide. We had a great group of guys, and it was a really nice, real good trip. I can't wait to go back. I look forward to the next one.